Hey guys, Chris McLean here from Business Accelerator Academy over at bizexcelacademy.com, and today I'm coming with a really simple but quite cool Facebook training. It's something that I just worked out this morning actually, and something that I've been thinking about ever since I had, unfortunately, an account closure a few months ago. And basically I was sitting around and I was, apart from losing all the ads, which is kind of shit, and that's really what you miss when you get your ad account closed or your ads stop running and you can't get that stuff back. But also what I was really concerned about was not being able to get my pixels back. If you guys are doing retargeting, you've got tracking pixels, custom audiences, all that data I thought was lost when that account got shut down. But I found out this morning, I went in and just had a quick look just through my business manager here. And I just wanted to see what could be done if I could transfer the pixel data across or something. And here's what I worked out. So if I go into manage ads on this account which was closed, which is just loading up now. So as you can see, once this loads up, I get this beautiful red banner up the top here that tells me to contact Facebook, which is really useful for getting your account back up and running. They're really helpful. So what I found out is if you come across here to conversion tracking, which is where all your pixels are stored. So as you can see, I had a whole lot of pixels that were tracking data from my website, or data if you're from the States. So you can see I had all these pixels that were tracking all this data that was really useful for my business, and basically I thought this was all lost. But what I found is this nifty little button over here, this little actions button. If you click on that, this bottom option here is share pixel. And if you click that, what it brings up is this little window where you can add in another account ID and it will share that pixel data with that second account. So that's what I did this morning. Once I worked this out, I went straight across to I went back into my ads manager, my business manager, and I came across, once this loads, I came across to my account which is actually running. And once I came back into here and I go into conversion tracking, you can see that now internet's fabulous today. So you can see now that I have all these shared by pixels. So all I did was where I brought up that window earlier, I just pulled out my advertising account code from the account I wanted to transfer to. I dropped it into that box and hit share, and it allowed me to share all of this data across to my working platform. My working ad account. So now I can use all of these tracking pixels that I had, which have been tracking for the last few months, and I can use those to retarget through my new ad account, which is really cool. So now I can create ads. So I can come into these shared accounts, I can create ads, I can link to existing ads. The only thing you can't do, it seems, is to create lookalike audiences. So you can't create those custom audiences and those lookalike audiences from those old pixels. But at least you do have them to create ads from, and you can bring that data across, and you can use that in your new profile. So if you've had an account shut down and you're wondering about or worrying about having that data lost, this is a cool way that you can bring that data across and you can start to use it in an account that you actually have open, that you're able to run accounts from. So I thought that was pretty cool. I hope that's useful for some of you guys. It really was useful for me. It was a cool piece that I just worked out this morning just by going and having a look. So yeah, I thought that was a cool little process, something you guys can jump in and do today. If you've had that account closure, which is really annoying, you can at least utilize some of the stuff out of that, and some of your worries will be gone. So short one for me today. Thanks guys. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.